everyone. Today, we are diving deep into the world of international trademark applications designated to Vietnam under the Madrid System. It's an exciting journey filled with important insights, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Did you know that from 2020 to 2022, over 9,000 international trademark applications designated for Vietnam were filed? That's a staggering number, and it highlights the convenience and efficiencies of the Madrid System in helping IPR holders secure protection for their brands right here in Vietnam. The Madrid System offers efficiency, cost savings, and a simplified approach to international trademark registration. These advantages are making it a top choice for businesses looking to safeguard their brands in multiple countries, including Vietnam. It streamlines the process and provided a cost-effective means of securing global trademark rights. Now, let's get down to business. We have got 10 salient points that every trademark owner should take into account when filing their trademark under the Madrid System, designating Vietnam. Point 1. Substantive examination. Once the International Property Office of Vietnam, or IP Vietnam, receives notice from the WIPO's International Bureau, or IB, about a marriage application designating Vietnam, they embark on a substantive examination journey. This examination is akin to the scrutiny a national trademark application undergoes to determine if the mark can be registered. It can be refused based on both absolute and relative ground as per Vietnamese law. The examination is concluded within 12 months from the date of the IB's notification. Point 2. Procedure for eligible marks. If your mark meets the registration requirements in Vietnam, IP Vietnam takes action. Within 12 months from the IB's notification, they issue a decision on the protections of your internationally registered mark. The mark goes into the National Register of Industrial Property, and a statement of protections is sent to the IB. Point 3. Temporary refusal. But what if your mark isn't quite that? IP Vietnam must issue a temporary refusal notice, outlining the reasons. We have got 3 months to respond. Point 4. Deadline. Remember that 3 months from the date IP sends its provisional refusal to the IB, not from when you receive it. Point 5. Acceptance of corrections. If you make satisfactory corrections or reasonable objections within that 3 months window, IP Vietnam moves forward with protections for the corrected parts of your mark. Point 6. Partial refusal. But if you can't address all the issues, don't worry. IP Vietnam applies the same procedures for the parts of your mark that meet protection conditions. Point 7. Total refusal. Now, if you miss the boat on all of it, IP Vietnam will issue a total refusal for the entire mark. Point 8. Appeal procedure. If you don't agree with a decision, you can file a complaint and IP Vietnam will communicate the results. Point 9. Certificate of protection. After acceptance, you can request a certificate confirming the protections of your international registration application in Vietnam. Point 10. Third-party opinions. And lastly, don't forget about third-party opinions. They is considered during the application phase, a process if submitted within 12 months from the date of the International Office notification. These opinions have saved IP Vietnam decision-making process. So, there you have it. These 10 key points provide a systematic pathway for managing international trademark registrations that designate Vietnam under the Madrid System. It ensures that mark meeting protection requirements are granted protection, while allowing for corrections, objections, and appeal in case of deficiencies or objections. These regulations promote transparency and compliance with international standards while safeguarding the interests of both applicants and the Vietnamese intellectual property system. If you found this information valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to our KENFOX channel for more insightful content on intellectual property rights. And if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. We are here to help you navigate the world of trademark and protect your brand. Until the next time, take care.